Yeah, he hit it. Yeah, he hit the bottom. He hit the rocks. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not stupid. I mean, I'm stupid, but not that stupid. So you know. I just saw it floating. Look at this giant catfish. It's dead. Oh my gosh. He's actually just gonna grab that? Oh. Oh. I'm not gonna grab that.
Just grab it and put it up there.
Ugh. Holy moly, dude. Look at this. What the heck happened? Fish don't have rabies, right?
You're an idiot.
There you go. Oh my. Ooh, is that a female? Question mark? It might be. Bruh. Bruh, look at this. Oh my gosh. That's pretty much 1 foot. Watch out, watch out. 1 foot, 2 feet. It's like 2.5 feet. 32 feet.
32 feet.
Yeah. I mean inches, inches. My bad, my bad. Alright, so I think we found the spot. We're gonna go down. Let's go, bro.
No pun me, that's on. Go down this hill?
Yeah, bro, it's fucking fun though.
You want me to give you a little push?
No.
Yeah, ready. Hey! Bro. Yeah. Yeah. I got you. Bro.
Alright, so these guys behind me, they saw me do it and they called me out. They're like, that wasn't standing up. So I'm gonna stand up and do it. He's gonna also do it too. But yeah, they literally called me out, so I gotta stand up. But he's gonna go too.
Yeah.
Hey!
Well, you don't know.
Alright, Aaron's gonna go again. I stood up that time. I jumped off the end and it like slammed my head in the water.
What?
It kind of hurt, but like, it's just water, so it's alright.
Bro, let me get my shoes.
Well, he's about to go again.
We had literally.
There you go. Okay. Oh, dang.
How was that, sir?
Oh man. Hey, shout out to the Nelk boys. Full send all the way, no half sends. Got this case and it has these knives in it. They're so dope. He got one too. I'm not gonna show it though. All right, so we're at the lodge. We couldn't go wakeboarding, but we're gonna eat maybe if they have some food, and then we might go chill on the beach. All right, so we're out here dining with the boys. You know, we got
Love you.
Love you too.
That's why I told her.
I love saying babe.
I love you, baby mama.
I love saying babe. Feels so nice. Calling
I
someone
love you.
babe. Bro. Look at this.
Yeah.
Bro, it's fire. Lights up and everything. I'm gonna put it.
Yes, sir. Jack Daniel's whiskey.
Country club. I gotta go.
Alright, so we found an outlet. We're gonna go test out the whiskey bottle. Hold the door open for the ladies, you know? Gentlemen like. Bro, imagine it doesn't work though. It'll still be cool. I think it's still cool. Bro, it actually doesn't work. You get, wait, but you said you had your own lights that you could put in. Does it actually not work? I mean, it still looks cool though. It's tough. We took an L. All right, so we got the food. I got a Philly cheesesteak. We got a buffalo wrap with some fish bites. We got some more fish, and we got some buffalo
don't like
wings.
those.
You know, just
Yeah, I like
chilling
your dog.
Saturdays
Your dog
for the
is
boys.
nice.
You know, we got the view, of course. Pretty dope. This dude got a cup of cherries right here.
Oh,
They're pretty good though. I'm not gonna lie, candy cherries.
This fool is really taking pictures. Are you taking pictures of him?
Nah, it's a video.
Oh.
Yeah. Well, got some more cherries. Yeah, it's not super deep.
Fuck it, sir.
You're gonna do it for the vlogs? Bro, imagine POA, it's like right there. Yes, sir. Do it for the vlogs, baby. I'm not gonna do it because it's kind of stupid to be honest. But yeah, there we go. How deep was it?
Oh, I hit my ass.
Yeah, he hit it. Yeah, he hit the bottom. He hit the rocks. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not stupid. I mean, I'm stupid, but not that stupid. So you know. Bro, look at this tiny little boat. That's kind of a vibe though. Like just chilling in there, cruising around. You know.
Hey, sir. I like your tiny ass boat. Well, you did not even jump.
He jumped into the rock.
No, you jumped